Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastav. Friend, today we are discussing important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: which of the following statement is true? First, all formative tasks are meant for assessment. Second, formative assessment to be effective must be conducted only after teaching a lesson. Third, while all formative tasks are meant for improving teaching learning, some are used for assessment too. Four, formative assessment help us to grade student into good, average and poor. Right answer is third. कि which of the following statement is true? तो right answer is while all formative tasks are meant for improving teaching learning, some are used for assessment too. Right answer is third. Next question देखेंगे. The term comprehension, the term comprehensive in continuous and comprehensive evolution means first co-scholastic development, second academic skills, third scholastic and co-scholastic development, and fourth scholastic development. Right answer is third scholastics and co-scholastic development. Next question देखेंगे. Concrete operational stage refers to those learner who are first at middle level, second toddlers, third adults and four adolescents. तो concrete operational stage refers to those learners who are first will be right answer at middle level. Next question देखेंगे. Formative assessment is assessment first at learning, second in learning, third for learning and fourth of learning. तो right answer is third, for learning. Next question देखेंगे. Which of the following is not a legitimate purpose of assessment in education? First, to rank the learner on the basis of mark. Second, to find out to what extent curricular objectives have been achieved. Third, to identify individual and special needs of learners. And fourth, to improve the teaching learning process. So right answer is first, to rank the learner on the basis of mark. Which of the following is not a legitimate purpose of assessment in education? To rank the learner on the basis of mark. Right answer first. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव टूल टू एक्सेस वैल्यू एंड एटीट्यूड ऑफ लर्नर इज फर्स्ट एनेक्डोटल रिकॉर्ड, सेकंड पोर्टफोलियो, थर्ड यूनिट टेस्ट एंड फोर्थ सबमेटिव टेस्ट. राइट आंसर इज सेकंड, पोर्टफोलियो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation should be adopted by all teachers, all schools because first, it is the latest development in the field of education. Second, traditional pen paper tests do not access and enhance all the attributes and ability of learner. Third, it feeds the learner from studies and hard work. And fourth, it affords teacher opportunity to test learner frequently. Right answer is second. The traditional pen paper texts do not access and enhance all the attributes and abilities of learner. Right answer is second. Next question देखेंगे. Which of the following will help learners task greater responsibility for their own learning? First, supervised reading sessions, second, controlled writing task, third, peer assessment and fourth, summative assessment. Right answer is third. Which of the following will help learner task greater responsibility for their own learning? Third will be right answer, peer assessment. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. द मेन पर्पज ऑफ असेसमेंट इज फर्स्ट टू मेजर अचीवमेंट ऑफ लर्नर्स, सेकंड टू गिव प्रैक्टिस इन राइटिंग, थर्ड टू इम्प्रूव द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस, फोर्थ टू डिसाइड पास एंड फेल. तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड. द मेन पर्पज ऑफ असेसमेंट इज टू इम्प्रूव द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस. राइट आंसर इज थर्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. रीडिंग बिटवीन द लाइन्स एज अ सब स्किल्स ऑफ रीडिंग मेनली इन्वॉल्व्स first, understanding the state facts, second, giving sufficient space between lines, third, inferring the unstates using the conceptuals and verbal clause, and fourth, identify the grammatical items. So right answer is first, understanding the state fact. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. क्राइटेरिया ऑफ असेसमेंट इज आर फर्स्ट, गाइडलाइंस विथ मार्किंग scheme, second, question wise distribution of mark, second, third, general impression of student abilities, fourth, scoring keys. So criteria of assessment is are a general impression of students ability. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. the two areas of continuous comprehensive evolution are: first, scholastics and curricular; second, scholastics and co-scholastics; third, curricular and situational; and fourth, situational and functional. तो right answer is second, scholastics and co-scholastics. Next question देखेंगे, a company label it frozen snacks 75% fat free rather than contains 25% fat, so that people will view them more positively. This is an example of first, semantic slanting; second, pro proto prototype; third, phoneme; and fourth, subjective utility. तो right answer is first, semantic slanting. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट फॉलोज द फॉलोइंग सीक्वेंस: फर्स्ट, फार्मूलेशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव असेसमेंट्स ऑफ नीड; evaluation, selection of text learning experiences; second, formulation of objective assessments of need; selection of text learning experience evaluation; third, selection of text learning experiences; assessment of needs; formulations of objective evaluation; fourth, assessment of needs; formulation of objective; selection of text learning experience evaluation. Right answer is 4, assessment of needs; formulation of objective; selection of text learning experience evaluation. Right answer is 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, टू इवेल्युएट रीडिंग comprehension at class third level, student may be asked to first, retell a story in their own words, or to summarize the main idea or the moral of the story; second, take a short diction of words they have read; third, write a diary based on one of the character; and fourth, use a set of identified vocabulary on their own. So right answer is first, retell a story in their own words, or to summarize the main idea or the moral of the story. Right answer is first. आगे देखेंगे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फॉर स्टूडेंट टू गेन नॉलेज, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स टू गेन लैंग्वेज स्किल्स फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक, द टेक्स्ट बुक लर्निंग शुड फर्स्ट को रिलेट विद असेसमेंट एंड अचीवमेंट; सेकेंड, लीड टू यूजिंग द टेक्स्ट बुक स्ट्रेंगली; थर्ड, एक्सपोज देम टू मोर लिटरेरी रीडिंग; एंड फोर्थ, बिकेम मोर कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव कंपेयर टू टेक्नोलॉजिकली सपोर्टेड कोर्स. तो राइट आंसर इज सेकेंड, लीड टू यूजिंग द टेक्स्ट बुक्स स्पैंगली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्रिएटिव रीडिंग प्रोजेक्ट फॉर असेसमेंट आर: फर्स्ट, रेफरेंस वर्क डन इन द लाइब्रेरी फॉर सम इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन the theme; second, suffering the internet for related information; third, dramatization, role play and rewriting from a different point of view; and fourth, reading for meaning. So right answer is first, reference work done in the library for more information on the theme. First correct answer. Next question देखेंगे, while evaluating the student responses for reading comprehension, marks may be deducted for fill in the blanks either: first, grammatical; second, statistical; third, content; and fourth, spelling. Right answer is third, content. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, एरर करेक्शन इन स्टूडेंट राइटिंग वर्क इज मोस्ट इफेक्टिव व्हेन द टीचर फर्स्ट पॉइंट आउट मेजर एरर्स यूजिंग सिंबल्स एंड स्टूडेंट सेल्फ करेक्ट; सेकंड, गिव्स स्टूडेंट मोर ड्रिल वर्क टिल दे लर्न द करेक्ट रिस्पॉन्सेज; थर्ड, write out the correct answers on the board; fourth, revise the wrong answer with them. तो right answer is 4, revise the wrong answer with them. next question देखेंगे, identify the question that access students ability to infer the meaning of the text. First, use the phrase in disbelief in a sentence of your own; second, give the opposite of delighted; third, why did Mohan change his mind despite his parents' advice; and fourth, where did Tom and his parents lie. Right answer is third, why did Mohan change his mind despite his parents' advice. Third will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे, while assessing a report of a school program for a class journal, the following are the main criteria: first, literary style, ironical presentation, word limit; second, relevance, logical organization of content, or direct style; third, descriptive presentation, title, writer name; fourth, for word limit, title, factual description. Right answer is first, literary style, ironical presentation, word limit. ओके, आगे देखेंगे फ्रेंड्स, अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है, अगला क्वेश्चन है, अ टेक्स्ट दैट रिक्वायर स्टूडेंट टू स्कैन इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड एनालिसिस द राइटर मैसेज एंड पर्पज कुड बी: फर्स्ट, एन इनक्लाइपेडिक्स एग्जैक्ट; सेकेंड, अ न्यूज़पेपर हेडिंग्स; थर्ड, अ सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन टू असेंबल अ डिवाइस; फोर्थ, अ पोएम. तो राइट आंसर इज 4, अ पोएम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, फॉर इवेल्यूटिंग अ पोस्टर डिजाइंड एज अ पार्ट ऑफ ए competition, which of the following criteria would be the most appropriate for the judge? First, relevant content, style and word limit. Second, use of quotation style and visual appeal. Third, creative relevant content and visual appeal. Fourth, creative front and visual approach. Right answer is third, creative relevant content and visual appeal. Third will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे, the teacher and students discuss the topics and the former starts the conversation by asking a question, then the students respond by giving example and explanation. The speaking assessment here is to grade how well student first is speak fluently and creative. Second, purpose information and respond appropriately. Third, express themselves. Fourth, respond in an appropriate tone and express themselves fluently and accurately. So right answer is second, process information and respond appropriately. Next question देखेंगे, language teachers have to do a needs analysis of their student too. First, measure their learning abilities. Second, find out student interest in the choice of language. Third, compare the achievement levels among the student. And four, evaluate their existing competence. So right answer is four, evaluate their existing competence. Next question, the most important purpose of formative assessment is to judge the performance of teachers and schools. Second, to form an opinion about the best student in the class. Third, to score and rank students on the basis of their performance. And fourth, to provide quality feedback on student learning. Right answer is 4, to provide quality feedbacks on student learning. Next question, Mrs. Sinha asked prediction question as she reads aloud a story to her class third student. She does this too. First, improved student vocabulary. Second, make the story interesting. Third, focus on comprehension. And fourth, help student remember important details in the story. So right answer is third, focus on comprehension. Next question देखेंगे, every class is a mixed ability class, so while dividing the student into different group for a language activity, a teacher should first give student different tasks according to their strength. Second, mix weaker and stronger student. Third, arrange group differently for different kind of activities. Four, put weaker and strong student in different group. Right answer is second, mix weaker and strong student. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ टेक्निक ऑफ असेसमेंट? फर्स्ट, इंटरव्यू. सेकंड, चेकलिस्ट. थर्ड, रेटिंग स्केल. एंड फोर्थ, रूब्रिक्स. तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड, रेटिंग स्केल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी? फर्स्ट, नोइंग. सेकंड, अंडरस्टैंडिंग. थर्ड, एवेल्यूटिंग. एंड फोर्थ, एनालिसिंग. राइट आंसर इज थर्ड, इवेल्यूटिंग. ओके, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.